Alright, what's going on, guys? Today is Thursday 24th for my time, and it is currently right now open market. I'm not trading today unless it goes into my model. As you can see, I switched completely back into Top Step. Yes, this is on the practice for right now, but I am currently working on a new model for you guys, and the reason is because I switched from Take Profit Trader back into Top Step because I personally think I'm more disciplined with Top Step. I've made most of my money from Top Step actually, and yeah, you'll see why in this week's trading recap. I will mention it why, and I'll go more a bit in detail. But yeah, this is gonna be the first video that I make about my series. This is gonna be a series about how to identify market conditions, liquidity, when to trade, when not to trade, and how you get into trading, stuff like that. All right. So each video will kind of be explaining about how everything works, and especially if you're new here, please do like and subscribe. Even if you're not new here, like and subscribe anyways. I personally feel like I make pretty good content for you guys, and that's most of the content I make, you guys can understand it super well. And if you don't understand it, hop over to my Discord. I'm very active in there. I always reply, and you can send me a personal DM if you guys need help with anything or just questions to ask. I am open to ask you guys, or like for you guys to ask me anything. Again, all my videos that I make are not scripted. I do not make any scripted videos because, again, I do not believe in them. Now, if you haven't looked at, if you just joined my channel, please go watch my other videos first, as you will see how I trade, and why I do the like why I make the videos that I make right now, and like how I trade, so you can get a better understanding of what I explain. And if you're a beginner, I would recommend you watching my videos first, or like the videos here first. I will try to make I'll try to make this series short as possible. I'm hoping for like 15 videos, or around 10 to 15 videos explaining everything. Again, I do not trade ICT. I do not trade any type of model. I trade my own personal model, and that's all I will be explaining to you guys step by step, and all the other confluences that go into my model. Now, when my new model comes out that I'm working on right now, again, you can access my new model early if you guys pay for the premium version, which is super cheap. It's $10 for every month. Again, it's super cheap. To join my Discord, but sorry, to purchase the premium version. But my Discord is completely free. I do not recommend. I also offer a mentorship for any of you guys that are new here that don't understand. Yes, I offer a mentorship, but again, I do not recommend anyone DM me about a mentorship unless you need it, or you think my model is good and you want to learn more in depth into what I'm doing and how I can teach you and make you become a better trader. But unless you need any of that, I highly suggest do not DM me about my mentorship, because one, it's not that expensive. It's kind of cheap compared to the ones that you can find online right now. But I do strongly believe anything can be found online. Any model, any specific things, you can find all online. Anything to make you become a better trader is online. I just offer a mentorship to give out my insight and how I trade to some of my students. And yes, one of my students already passed their funded account. I'm not trying to make you buy my mentorship or anything, but I'm just saying I've been teaching this guy for around 2 to 3 weeks now, and he already passed his top step eval account super quickly using my model step by step. And yeah, okay, enough yapping. I hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. Okay, now let's go over market conditions for this first video. I'll try to make it short, as short as possible, since this is the first video. Market condition. What is market condition? Many beginner traders, of course, and like veteran traders too, everyone has the biggest problem of over trading. What do I mean by over trading? We are up in the day, we're plus 500, and then we have another person. Let's do this. We have two people. Let's compare two people, right? We have one person who took one trade and won $750, and we have another person who also has won $150. But one loves to chase and the other one doesn't. Now, the first guy that we're talking about, he won $750 and he got off. That's great. Now, we have the second guy who likes to overtrade and wants more. Greed. Greed is not good. All right? I don't want anyone watching my video. The number one thing that I say all the time is psychology. And what's the psychology mean? It doesn't mean not having emotions. It does not mean having nothing. It does not mean staying super disciplined. It means not being greedy. Because once you're greedy, you don't know what to do. You will keep wanting to trade to make more and more and more. I had this one point during college. I was trading in class. I don't know why I was trading in class. I was up 5,000 that day already. And back then, to me, I was like, oh my god, dude, that's a lot of money. Especially when, especially like when that's when like I became more and more profitable, right? And that day I kept over trading and literally lost all the money that I had. So now, one thing that I don't want you guys to do is become greedy. Now, why do I relate this to market condition and why do I give you these examples as market condition? Because some people like to trade every single day. Now, is it a bad thing to trade every single day? No. Some people have setups every single day. They follow their setups and the trade comes. Yeah, sure, it's normal. But you gotta understand some market conditions are not real. It doesn't work. Let's go over some examples. I will be showing you on the video. Now, what market conditions don't work? We're not gonna look at yesterday. We're gonna look at a few days ago. Okay, I don't know why it's not loading. But market condition. Let's see. Asia time. There's no market condition for you to take any trades because one, I don't know why my VPN is doing this. I'm so sorry. One, we're not sweeping anything. Following my model, we're not sweeping anything. We're chopping like this, and especially when we have open markets that literally just look like this. We're just downpouring, right? Especially when we have open markets that look like that. We do not want to be trading. We want to be trading high probability trades. What is here? Today, like this, I wouldn't even take a trade here today. Why? We sweep Asia, we sweep NY lows, we sweep this low. Where do I want to, if you're using my model, people want to short right here. That's just, look at book maps, right? I will go over book maps too. Book maps is in a separate video. But market condition, what do I mean? Look at this. Is this a good way for you to trade? No. This is chop. You're gonna long here. Oh, we sweep this, right? Good candle. We sweep this. We're gonna boom, go up to the upside. Go up to the upside. Nope, it reverses. Market condition, right? You have to check book maps. We have to check. Oh, where does market want to go today? Where is this? This is a high probability trade. This is a okay, it's not working. This is a high probability trade. We take this. We sweep highs because why? Why do I say this is high probability? One, we sweep the lows already. Look, we sweep the lows super quick during open. We come back up. What do we want to do? Naturally, we just want to sweep the highs. Naturally, we just want to sweep the highs or right here. These two would be high probability trades. And you can look for a short, and look what happens, a short. Right? You want to trade, what do I mean by market condition as well? Market condition means you want to trade in high probability areas. You want to trade in good price action times. Good price action meaning high volume, right? Market moves quick, but market is stable. It moves in a trend, right? Market moves to where your TP is going to be fast. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see a terrible market condition where market just chops and it's fucking sideways. And you take a trade during when it's sideways, you just get tilted because you're going to keep seeing positive and negative on your P&L. We don't want to see that, right? No one wants to see that. So, market condition is super important for trading because, again, we don't want to trade in bad conditions. It's just like, oh my god, it's just like playing a sport. Would you rather play soccer while it's raining, or would you rather play soccer while it's sunny? Obviously, a normal person would say while it's sunny. Ergo, it is hot, but it's not. You're not gonna be slipping everywhere. You're not gonna be like dying or like catch a cold or catch a sickness, right? It's like another example, playing hockey, right? Market like conditions, right? Would you play hockey on a rink that's melting constantly? No. You want to play hockey when you're indoors, when the rink isn't melting, and it's cold and it's nice to play hockey in, right? And again, some of you guys watching this video might not understand what I'm saying, but some of you guys will. And for the ones that don't, really take in to what I'm saying, as in market condition means one, we have smooth price action, meaning up and downs, fast, high volume. Bookmap shows a lot of trends. We're continuing a trend. We're doing whatever strategy that you're using, it's working. Good market condition for you to trade. Bad market condition means we're chopping the whole time. We're fucking sideways. The market is sideways, like this. This right here, this is bad market condition. Why would you ever want to take a trade here? You don't know where the market's gonna move. You long here. You think you're gonna good, and then it just goes down. That's what I mean by market condition. So, what I want a lot of you to do, again, this is my first video of making, like teaching. So like, please bear with me. I'm not super good at this yet. Again, YouTube is not the best thing for me, and I make videos based off of no script. So I'm sorry for most of you who are watching this video who's like, what the fuck is this guy saying? I will link my Discord into my in the description for you guys to look at, and you guys can join to ask me more questions just in case I'm not clear enough in this first video. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Again, quick short video, first video about trading, market condition. That's one. That's the number one thing that I use. Even at the start of the day, like yesterday, Thursday, Wednesday, I didn't take a single trade. Why? Because it's bullshit. No trades for me yesterday. I see this, we come up, I see it go down and come up again. I don't know when it's gonna keep going up or down, right? What my model focuses on is we're gonna catch a big reversal. That's what I want to see, right? That's what I want to see. I want to see market come up here like this. I want to see market come up here and boom, we sweep down into my other zone, right? So this is number one, market condition. I will make much more videos. I will put this maybe in a folder for you guys to see. But yeah, this is the first video. Super quick, super simple, nothing in depth. Next video I'll make something more in depth, and hopefully it's better than this video. I know this video is kind of short, it's not that great, but please bear with me. I apologize in advance. And yeah, have a great day, stay safe, and if you don't understand, join my Discord, DM me on Instagram, rewatch this video, whatever you need to, and have a nice day, guys. All right.